Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Guys, in today's video I'll be sharing with you businesses you can start with less than 100k. Guys, if you're a student, housewife, or just a stay-at-home mom and you're looking for what to do with just 100,000 naira in this country, guys, this is something you should watch. So guys, the first business we'll be talking about is laundry business. Guys, with less than 100,000 naira you can start a laundry business in this country. All what you need is just your pressing iron, your packaging liner, and not even 100% needed. That is your washing machine. If you don't have a washing machine, you can do it the other way around by washing it with just detergent and you're fine. I know this will actually required you to be skilled in some ways. You can watch YouTube videos on how to pack clothes to make it neat and tidy, just packaging, and you are good to go with less than 100,000 naira, guys. My second point is mini importation. Guys, you can start a mini importation business with less than 100k, even with 50,000 naira in this country. There are so many websites which you can get products for cheaper rates and sell in Nigeria at higher rate. We have AliExpress, we have Alibaba. All these China products, you can get product at cheaper rate and sell at higher rates here. All these underwears, all phone case, shades, all sorts. You can get it at rate of $1 and sell for around 5,000 naira here. $1 is just 700 naira, if I'm right, and sell for 5,000 naira. So it's even less than 1,000 naira selling for 5,000 naira. Although I know you're going to pay for shipping fee, but you can't even spend up to 2,000 naira on shipping fee. So with less than 100k, you can start that business conveniently in this country. Another business you can start with 100k or less than 100k is your salon business. Guys, if you want to rent a shop, you can rent a shop. Yes, in Ibadan here, there are shops for around 2k per month. I'm not talking about big shop, guys. Don't get it confused. I'm talking about starting small. You can get a shop that is just 2,000 naira per month, and 2,000 naira times 12, that's 24,000 naira, which I'm right. Now your shop is already sorted out, and all what you need is just to buy your chairs. You can get used chairs, guys. I'm not against buying used things to start a business, because when you're starting small, my own belief is start small and aim higher. Just start. When you are thinking of, oh, I don't have up to this, that means you are not even ready to start anything. You need a mirror. All these are not even up to 100,000 naira. Do your research though, but I am 100% sure that with less than 100k you can start a small salon business. Another business you can start with less than 100k, or let's even say with zero capital, is buying and selling of used products. So many people are looking for where to sell their used product, in as much as people are also looking for where to also buy their used product. So you can actually serve as a middleman between the person that wants to sell the used product and the person that wants to buy the used product. All what you just need to do is just for you to just get pictures of those used products, upload them, see a buyer, show the buyer what they want to buy, let them be able to inspect what they want to buy. After inspecting, then they will pay you. You just pay the owner her own money or his own money, then you keep the rest as your own interest. This is something you can start with zero capital. You don't even need to have any money to start this business. If you need money, the only thing I think you need money to do is just for you to run ads, and you're good to go, guys. The next point is selling of food. Guys, you can start food business with 20,000 naira. Yes, as I was saying, I'm not saying that we are starting big. You already have your cooking utensils at home. It's not like you don't have your pot. It's not like you don't have what you're already using at now to cook. It's not like people buying food don't really know how to cook. Most people are buying food because they find it easier and more convenient for them to just buy and eat than just going through the process. So many people are busy with their daily life and daily activities, and they find it so easy to just buy food, order, and just eat. Thing I know about business ideas are just that, guys, you just have to provide for people's need. Look for people's need, provide for it, and get money from it. With this, you are good to go. Another business you can start is your frozen food business. Guys, frozen food business might look so big. Oh, I can't really afford this, but I'll break it down for you guys. Guys, with frozen food business, all what you need is just your freezer. I know freezer are very, very expensive, but guys, as I said earlier, you can get a used freezer So getting a used freezer, but just make sure that these used freezer are from reliable vendors, because you don't want to buy something that will be giving you hypertension at the end of the day. So just make sure that you have a good vendors where you can buy a used product from. Get the freezer, then use the rest of the money to just top it up. To get a used freezer, at least with less than 50k, you can get a used freezer. Then you use the rest to start the business. Another business you can start with less than 100,000 naira is being a social media manager. In as much you are watching this video, that means that you have what it needs to be a social media manager. The things you need are just two things. You need your mobile phone and also your data to start this business. For you to be watching this video, that means you have a mobile phone and also you have a data. So that means you can also start this with even zero capital. Just create your own brand yourself up, do some courses which can be done from Udemy, Allison, YouTube, Google. Just research on your own and start your own course on how to be a social media manager. You can start this with less than 100,000 naira. And to reach out to clients, you just have to like tell them that, okay, I'm a social media manager. But don't forget, you are starting small. You're not supposed to go and reach out to all these big people, because before you can get connect to all these big people, you need to create your own portfolios yourself. But start with all these small business owners, people selling jewelries, people selling organic creams. You can handle their page for them. So many people have this business, they don't even know how to run ads, they don't know how to do all sorts on Instagram, use platform to just get money. Start a small poultry business. I know poultry business, I know is actually demanding. I know it's not that easy to start. No, I'm not saying that you are going to start big. We are starting small. It's just 100,000 we are planning on. Get a carpenter. Don't go to a furniture man, guys. Get a carpenter. Order for a cage that can just accommodate 50 chicken, and you can start. Guys, with less than 100k, you can even start this. In as much you're not doing too much on it, buy your live chicken, rear them for 2 months, plan on the feeding, plan on the drugs, then you're good to go, guys. Just do the research after this video, guys. Do you know how much you are charging recently on gele? All these people that tie gele, if you go to event, they are charging nothing less than 1,500 naira, 2,000 naira just to tie gele. Maybe that is even because I'm in Ibadan. I'm sure in Lagos they'll be charging up to 5k for gele. And you can even learn gele with just 30,000 naira. There are even so many places that are even doing free training on how to tie gele. Just learn within a month. Gele tying is not something that is going to like take up to like 3 months, 4 months to start. Maximum of 1 month, you are good to go. Start the training now, pay them, then use the rest. You are going to need some ashoke, some gele, so to just start practicing. And also I also need some pin, which are not even up to gele. All these ashoke is not even up to 10,000 naira. Dummy is like 5,000 naira. Pin is like 1,000 or 500 naira. So guys, with less than 100k, you can start this business. And just do the calculation. After knowing this, just go with the heart of, oh, I want to know this thing. Start, learn, then good. What I'm talking about is start your YouTube journey today. As you are watching this video, guys, I'm sure you can actually start your YouTube journey, because you already have a mobile phone and also a data to be watching this video. To start your YouTube, all what you need is just your mobile phone. In as much you are just starting, I know the times will come where we need your light or you need your microphone, but because you are just starting, you can use the direct sunlight. And for your microphone, you can actually use your inbuilt microphone that follows your phone everywhere you go. With what you just have to do is just for you to like stick to a niche. If it's like you want to be doing DIY, if it is vlog, if it is how to, if it is all sorts. I know all these businesses are not easy to start. I know it has its own nooks and cranny. I know it has its own ups and downs. I know. I want you to know is that just take the step, make it while the sun shine, do the right thing at the right time, guys. All these businesses, you can do more research on them. Drop it in the comment section if you have any other suggestions of business you can start in country like Nigeria with less than 100,000 naira, guys. This is going to be the end of this video. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you for your engagement. If you are just seeing this face, Becca is a YouTuber based in Ibadan, Nigeria, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're a returning subscriber, you know you are the OG, guys. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like this video, comment and share, guys. Bye guys, and stay blessed.